Here is a look at the Clean and Simple Mini Slimline Panels die set. The Mini Slimline Panels die set contains 4 dies, 3 panel dies ranging from 3 by 6 inches to 2.5 by 5.5 inches, plus 1 triple rectangle window piece. Each rectangle measures 2.25 by 1.5 inches. This die size goes together perfectly with our previously released in June of 2019 narrow envelope and card die set. Now it's called the Mini Slimline Envelope and Card Die Set. This die set is made of high quality 100% carbon steel, and here is a sampling of our design team's projects. You can see here that the windows are perfect for just featuring images or to easily create shaker cards. Thank you for checking out the Clean and Simple Mini Slimline Panels die set.